KF110 GPS drone is a high-performance professional-grade quadcopter designed for aerial photography enthusiasts and drone pilots seeking advanced features, exceptional image quality, and reliable flight capabilities. Built with precision engineering, this drone combines cutting-edge technologies such as a powerful 1503 brushless motor, dual-axis electronic image stabilization, EIS, mechanical gimbal, and sophisticated laser obstacle avoidance to deliver smooth, stable, and safe flights every time. Equipped with a 4K ultra-high-definition flight camera featuring a 120-degree wide-angle lens, the KF110 captures stunning photos and videos at an impressive resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels with a smooth 30 frames per second frame rate. This ensures crystal clear, vibrant imagery whether you're filming scenic landscapes, action-packed moments, or cinematic aerial footage. The camera angle is electronically adjustable up to 90 degrees, enabling pilots to frame their shots perfectly from multiple perspectives without manual adjustments. Powered by a robust 7.4 volts 1500 mAh lithium battery, the KF110 drone offers approximately 20 minutes of flight time per charge, delivering ample opportunity to explore the skies and capture breathtaking views. The battery recharges in about 2 hours, ensuring minimal downtime between flights. The drone's lightweight design, weighing just 188.8 grams, enhances its agility and responsiveness while maintaining stable flight dynamics. Its foldable form factor, 14 x 16 x 5.5 centimeters folded, 32 x 32 x 5.5 centimeters unfolded, provides convenient portability for pilots on the go. The KF110's flight control system is built on a 6-axis gyroscope with a 2.4 GHz remote control frequency, providing precise maneuverability and reliable signal transmission. The remote controller operates on a rechargeable 3.7 volts 350 mAh lithium battery, offering up to 3 hours of operation time with approximately 1 hour needed to recharge. The drone supports a controlled distance and Wi-Fi video transmission range of up to 600 meters under ideal, interference-free conditions, enabling pilots to maintain a stable connection and live video feed from a significant distance. Advanced GPS features enhance flight safety and ease of use, including one-click return to home, automatic low battery return, and no signal return, which guide the drone safely back to its takeoff location. Intelligent flight modes such as GPS following and image recognition tracking allow the drone to autonomously follow and film a selected subject, keeping it centered in the frame for dynamic, hands-free shooting. Gesture recognition enables pilots to capture photos or videos by simply performing specific gestures within 1 to 3 meters of the drone, making selfie capture effortless. Additional flight modes include multi-point route planning, allowing users to preset a flight path for autonomous navigation, freeing the pilot to focus on filming. Fixed point surround mode lets the drone circle smoothly around a selected point of interest at a customizable radius, perfect for cinematic panoramic shots. The drone also features an aircraft retrieval function that displays its last known GPS coordinates on a map, facilitating easy recovery if it goes out of sight. The KF110 drone supports seamless media sharing, allowing photos to be shared in batches and videos individually from compatible mobile applications. Though it does not support TF cards, the built-in storage and app-based controls ensure convenient handling of your captured media. Built for both beginners and experienced pilots, the KF110 combines a 2-axis EIS and mechanical gimbal with laser obstacle avoidance sensors to minimize crashes and enhance flight stability. Powered by a smart plug-in 7.6 volts lithium battery, this drone promises reliable power management and safe operation. In summary, the KF110 GPS Drone 4K Professional is a feature-rich, versatile, and user-friendly aerial platform that delivers outstanding image quality, intelligent flight modes, and advanced safety features. Whether you are capturing professional-grade video, exploring new perspectives, or enjoying recreational flying, this drone offers a seamless combination of technology, performance, and convenience to elevate your FPV experience. Package includes 1 kilo Farad 110 drone aircraft, 1 remote control, 1